In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create dark color grading footage. So let's jump into the timeline. Here you can see the normal video footage. First, I'll go to Effect panel and search moody color. Drag this effect into the video footage. Then go to the Effect control panels. Now you can see the moody color effect. Go to the basic correction. Then decrease the saturation 55%, then black minus 55% and shadow minus 55%. Then increase the contrast value, highlight value and white value. Now if I play the video, you will see the effect has done. If I disable the effect, you will see the original color. I will enable the moody color effect. To get more interesting editing related video like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so that our next video reach out.